YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hopefully fix your Kenmore 80 series dryer when it's not heating. There's my model number right there. I'll post a picture as well. Here's going to be the little part that we need. It's a dryer thermostat. I forget the name for it, but there will be a link in the description below. So first things first, if you are experiencing problems with this dryer, I would suggest cleaning out the lint trap, checking the air ducts and things of the sort. Of course, turn your gas off before you do anything like that. I have already cleaned out the lint trap. I cleaned out the air vents and everything of the sort. So let me turn off my gas. Just going to be right behind it, right there, that yellow valve. And then I'm going to get it unplugged, turned around, and we'll go ahead and hopefully get it fixed. Right, you guys, so I went ahead and turned it around. I got my dryer hose disconnected. A good time to check and see if your dryer hose has any tears in it, and to go ahead and replace it if it does. We're going to want to pull off the rear panel here, so I'm going to get started on that. Alright you guys, so to get to the thermal fuse, I'm going to want to take off all of these nuts all the way around. They're going to be 1/4, I believe. There's going to be links to all of this, including the thermal fuse, in the description below, so please check those out. It will take you straight to Amazon. They are affiliate links, but they will not cost you any extra if you click through them, and it does benefit and help support this channel, so thank you for that. Okay, so you're going to want to take off the 3 screws on the side. There's going to be 1, 2, and 3 screws over here, as well as 3 screws on the other side. Go ahead and pull this panel out and keep it aside. Make sure you're storing your screws safely. I have mine in a container here. Put that panel there as well. Then we can get the back cover off. There we go. And there is going to be our thermal fuse sensor right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the 2 leads right over there. Unscrew it, put in the new one. The new one has a little notch to it in the bottom, which I don't know if you can see right there in the video. I'll go ahead and get it pulled off and then explain more. Alright you guys, I did get it off. Now unfortunately, if your connections are old like mine are, they were pretty stuck on there. I did have to use a plier for the blue one, just very gently and firmly gripped it while kind of wiggling back and forth to get it off. So here's the old one. Let's hope this is the problem right here. And here's my new one. Again, there will be links to it in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and slot it back in over there, and then connect the red one on top, the one on the bottom, hook everything back up and see if it works. Wish me luck, guys. Alright guys, so I got my thermal fuse sensor in there. I'm going to tighten it just a little bit and then go ahead and get it hooked up. Besides that, this is a good time to clean the back of your dryer if you would like to. I know I definitely am going to. Let me go ahead and get this thermal fuse hooked up. In case you guys don't know, the fuse sticks out like that, and then these are supposed to slide around them, these connectors. So go ahead and slide number 1 on, and then slide number 2 on. There we go. Then I'm going to clean up the back over here, put my panel back on, and then I'll let you guys know if that worked. So I got everything put back, got the dryer plugged in, I got my gas valve turned back on. So, moment of truth. Let's see if it's fixed. And I guess I'll resume the video in about a minute and see if it's working. Let's see if our clothes are hot. Again, there will be links to everything in the description below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for checking out the channel. And these are some hot clothes. I don't know if you can tell, but some of the water's already evaporating off of them. So it looks like that was our fix, the thermal fuse. Again, link in the description below, Kenmore 80 series dryer. Let me know in the comments below how easy or difficult it was for you guys, and have a great day. Stay safe.